Hi Valley View teachers, here's a quick screencast to show you how to create a Sign Up Genius for our conferences coming up on March 13th. So I'll walk you through that. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. So first I'm going to go to signupgenius.com or just Google search Sign Up Genius and it's going to take me to the website. You'll need to log in. You should have a login from previous times. I'm already logged in. So once I'm logged in, or you are, you can click Create a Sign Up Genius. And as if you recall from previously this year, the format looks a little bit different, which is why I'm making a screencast. So we're going to start under Design and call this what you want to. I'm going to call it March 13th Conferences, and then I'm going to put my last name with it. I feel like that would be a good system to use. You have to select a group, which doesn't mean anything. You can pick whatever you want. I don't think you need to create one. And then go ahead and choose your template. I'm just going to stick with the simple one for these purposes. And at the bottom, I click Save and Continue. So now we are going to want to create one where it says here Sort by Date. And we're going to click on Add Dates. Once I'm in Add Dates, I'm going to go all the way to the right where it says Add Time Slots, because we are going to create multiple time slots. The days of the event are going to be March 13th. So both of these boxes will be checked for March 13th, which means it's on that Friday. The time range may vary for you depending on how many team conferences you're doing. I'm going to imagine that my team is doing 3 team conferences and that my individual conferences are going to start at 10 and go until 11:30. So remember, we have conferences from 8:30 to 11:30, and however that 3 hours is divided up works for us. So I'm going to, for individual conferences, it's your decision how long you want to make those. Initially we had said 10 minutes. If you think 15 is a better number to give you time to talk to the parents, that's fine. That allows you to have 6 time slots in this time window. So I'm going to click Add Time Slots. Actually, first I'm going to put a location. I'll say Main Office. You would want to put your room wherever you're conferencing. And I'm going to add those. I'm also going to now go to the box on the right, the orange button that says Add Slots. I'm only going to add one slot, and I'm just going to call it Conference. And just add one for all the different times. So I'll click Save. And that means that one family can sign up for each one of these time slots. So I scroll down, click Save and Continue. Underneath Settings, right now anyone who logs in to sign up would need to put their name, their email, and they can put a comment. I'm also going to go down here on this gray setting wheel that you see right below the More button. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to check a box that hides the names of anyone who signs up so that this isn't open for everyone to see who's signed up. I'm also going to click this box so that people aren't swapping spots with each other. At this point, it's set to notify people via email as a reminder 2 days in advance, which I like. And all the other options we don't need to work with. So I'm going to click Save and Continue at the bottom. And at this point, it's all set. I simply need to click Publish in order to preview it. And here is my link right here for my Sign Up Genius. So I'm going to click that, and it'll open in a new tab. And there you go. This is my title. I've got my date. I've got my location and my 15-minute time slots with a spot to click and sign up. So now I would get this link, copy it, and then use Infinite Campus to send a message out to just the families that I'm inviting. Remember, we're not sending this out to everybody. It would just be the families. So in my case, it would be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 families that I most would like to talk to, either face-to-face or if necessary over the phone, about their child's progress so far this year. So if you have any questions for me, let me know. I'm happy to help out. I hope this is helpful for you.